You think you need millions of views to hit $10,000 a month? You don't, and I'm going to prove it. Today, I'll show you a proven strategy that earns 10 times more than ad revenue and doesn't require millions of views, brand deals, or even showing your face on camera. The secret is simple. Stop thinking like a content creator chasing views and start thinking like a business owner with a product to sell. With YouTube ads, 1 million views might get you $2,000 to $5,000. But if the same video sold a $40 digital product to just 0.03% of those viewers, you'd cross $10,000 in sales very fast. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's great, but what would I even sell? And here is the truth. This isn't about building the next Apple or inventing some crazy tech. The smartest creators make money by simply selling digital products their audience is already looking for. So let's break it down, niche by niche, exactly what kind of products work and how channels just like yours are already selling them. Let's start with one of the most profitable spaces, self-help and productivity. The best products here are digital tools that make life easier, like ebooks, Notion templates, habit trackers, or planners. They're simple to create, solve real problems, and usually sell best between $10 to $40. Take Easlow, for example. He sells his Second Brain Notion template for around $80. If just 100 people buy it, every time he uploads a video, that is $8,000 in revenue from a single digital product. Templates and planners work great for self-help. But if your channel is about teaching skills, the bigger money is in education. If you're teaching coding, a language like English or German, or even a skill like public speaking, then creating courses is the next natural step. Take Charisma on Command. They started with videos on social confidence and now sell a full course on becoming more charismatic for $600. Magnates Media, a faceless channel known for cinematic business documentaries, sells a channel building course for $1,000. And Alux, another faceless finance channel, offers a whole library of video courses starting at $250. Now, yes, courses take more work upfront, but the payoff is huge. You can price them anywhere between $100 to $300, and if your course is really in-depth, even $500 to $1,000, which means just a handful of sales can easily beat months of ad revenue. If you're just starting, platforms like Skillshare or Udemy make it simple. They handle payments, hosting, and student dashboards. You just upload your lessons and go live. For example, Improvement Pill runs a storytelling course on Skillshare. The platform takes a cut, but the upside is you don't need to build your own site. And while courses are perfect for teachers, what if your channel is more creative, like filmmaking or editing? Then digital assets are your best bet. Filmmaking and editing, things like LUT packs, editing presets, transitions, and sound effects are exactly what creators in this space are eager to buy. Take Film Crux, for example. It's a faceless channel built around AI and filmmaking, and they sell cinematic sound packs that other filmmakers can instantly use in their projects. These products usually sell for $20 to $50 depending on how polished and useful they are. And the beauty is, once you've made them, you can sell them over and over again. And while filmmakers sell digital assets, fitness and lifestyle creators win with structure because people don't just want inspiration, they want a clear path to follow. Viewers in this niche are constantly looking for clear plans that they can follow. That is why digital ebooks and guides crush it here. Whether it's a workout program, a diet plan, or a yoga routine, people are happy to pay for something simple and actionable. Take Yellow Dude, for example. He makes calisthenics videos and sells ebooks that teach beginners how to do their first muscle up or build strength with a push-pull squat routine. The price point is usually $10 to $40, affordable for viewers but highly scalable for creators. Now, creating the product is only half the game. The real key is getting people to buy it. And that is where your YouTube channel becomes a lead generation machine. But here's the catch. You cannot treat your videos like ads. If they feel like a sales pitch, people will tune out instantly. Instead, your content should genuinely help viewers, give them real solutions first, then naturally introduce your product as the shortcut, the faster, easier way to get the same results. Think of it like this. Your videos show them what is possible, but your product gives them the direct path to make it happen. And to do this effectively, you only need to focus on two types of videos. One are outlier videos. These are hot, trending topics in your niche, the ones that suddenly pull way more views than usual. For example, if a channel normally gets 10 to 20,000 views, but one video jumps to 100,000 or even 500,000 views, that is an outlier. Finding them is simple. Just look at your competitors' uploads from the past 6 months, spot the ones getting 5 to 10 times more views than their average, and that is your target. Once you've found them, recreate those ideas in your own style. And inside those videos, naturally position your product as the deeper solution. Because outlier videos bring way more views, your products get way more exposure without you ever sounding salesy. And the best part is, you you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to put your own spin on what is already proven to work. And the second type of videos are problem-solving videos. Here, you go straight at the problem your audience is struggling with, the same ones that your product is built to solve. You give them real actionable tips so that they can get value right away, and then you show how your product makes the process a lot simpler and faster. For example, let's say that you've built a Notion template for time management. You could make videos like how to get work done if you have ADHD, how to balance work, hobbies, and life without burning out, 3 habits that save you 3+ hours every single day. These don't need Hollywood level production, just clarity and tying your product into your story. Now, while long form videos build trust and make sales, if you want to scale fast, you need shorts. Everybody is hooked on short form right now, and YouTube is pushing it harder than ever. That means a single short can put you in front of thousands, even millions overnight. Here's how it works. A 30-second tip grabs attention. That curiosity sends viewers to your 15-minute video, and inside that video, you build authority and naturally introduce your product. So shorts don't need to sell. Their only job is to spark curiosity and drive people into your long-form content. Keep it simple, use shorts for quick tips, surprising insights, and aha moments, and always point people toward your longer breakdowns. The shorts bring the audience, the long form does the selling. So here is the full roadmap to hit $10,000 a month before 2025 ends. Find the pain points that people are struggling with, then create a digital product that solves those pain points. Use long form videos to build trust and market the product, and leverage shorts to pull in massive reach and funnel viewers into your long form. Follow this roadmap, and $10,000 a month is not a dream, it's just simple math. But scaling bigger requires a different playbook. In this next video, I show you the difference between a $2,500 channel and a $250,000 channel. Click here and I'll see you there.